Hello, hey, my name is Bill, and today I'm finally going to show you my secret that I promised for forever now about what to do cooking a pork shoulder for pulled pork. People refer to them as pork butts. They're actually really from the shoulder, and this is actually a really nice one I just got from Wassey's Meat Market. It's about 9 1/4 pounds, so there's definitely going to be a lot of meat. The key to this is I like to put a little. This is the sweet and smoky rub that I put on it last night, left in the refrigerator so it can kind of soak in. And now you can see that this beautiful piece of pork is nice and covered and it smells great. And so all I got to do is I've got my oven at like 400 degrees. I'm going to wrap it up. I like to double wrap, so I'm going to wrap it. This is a really big one, so hopefully I got this figured out right. Just wrapped up. The second piece always needs to be a little bit bigger because we're going over first wrap. Now no matter what you do, this is going to leak. So I always put it in a pan, nice deep pan that I know is going to cover it. Goes in the oven. You want to put it in at 400 degrees, long enough for it to really just start to heat through. So 20 to 30 minutes. You start to hear it in there and you start to smell it. And then you have to turn it down to 250 for 12 hours. So basically, I'm gonna have dinner, watch some TV, go to bed. When I wake up tomorrow morning, I'm gonna show you the results. So I'm gonna get this in the oven and we'll be ready to see you tomorrow morning. Alright, here we are. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. Pork has been in for 12 hours. My oven has a feature where it turns off after 12 hours, so actually it's been off. It's just cool enough now that I can open it. We gotta have a sip of coffee first. Let's see. One of the things I did, started putting the oven yesterday, and I had it in a regular like lasagna pan. All of a sudden I realized I usually use a throwaway aluminum pan because it gets kind of messy. What you're going to have here is a big, huge, beautiful 9 1/4 pound is ready to just completely fall apart. That's how easy it was. You know it's done. The bone came right out. It's still really hot inside. So I'm going to pour off some of the extra juice, and all I'm going to do now is I'm going to package it up. So how I do that is I'm just going to get a whole bunch of tin pieces, aluminum foil, and put about 1 pound on each so I can divide it up evenly. There's probably about 7 pounds left here, so maybe I'll start with like 6 sheets. And because you're gonna lose some. You know, there's the bone and there's a fat cap on the bottom. And I forgot to tell you that yesterday, but you always put the fat cap down. And I'm going to just pull it apart, put it in tin, wrap them up, mark what they are, and throw them in the freezer. And actually I'm going to save some out to make my pork enchiladas, which I've made for you before. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee, let this finish cooling a little more. And I hope you've learned something. As you can see, I wish this was smell-o-vision. It's really great. So, you know, comment, ask questions, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you for the next menu item I can come up with.